Manthey Racing is once again making moves at the Nürburgring, and this time it is with an updated version of the Porsche 911 GT3. Still based on the 992 generation, this test vehicle is wearing light camouflage and some very serious upgrades. Clearly, Manthey is not just aiming to improve, it wants to break its own records. The most obvious change at first glance is the lowered suspension setup, dialed in for maximum track grip. There is also a revised rear diffuser that is designed to enhance downforce by pulling more air from under the car. Day 2 of testing brought even more upgrades, including a larger rear wing with unique end plates and carbon aerodynamic discs mounted on the rear wheels for improved stability at speed. Up front, the aggressive look continues with a larger splitter and canards mounted to the bumper for added front-end bite. Peer inside and you will find a full roll cage, not only for safety, but also to stiffen the chassis during those high G corners. Underneath, this GT3 is most likely running upgraded coilovers from Manthey's earlier kit, with 4-way adjustable damping to fine-tune the setup. Expect steel-braided brake lines and carbon ceramic brakes for unmatched pedal feel and stopping power. Manthey Racing is clearly not backing off. This 911 GT3 looks ready to carve through corners and beat the clock. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of our future videos.